Gifts. Gifts are something that makes us really happy. If it's my birthday, I really expect my friends, my family members, my known people to wish me and to definitely give me something at least for my birthday. And at the same time, when it is my turn to gift somebody, okay, even my gift has to be a thoughtful gift. But do we gift everyone with a lot of thought? It depends, don't you think? It just depends on whom we are gifting. If it's a close friend, we would really go out of the way to look for that one single thing that that friend loves, or maybe something which really means to you and that person, and it will be there as a memory forever and ever. So it is a kind of, you can say, the gifts are quite precious. Okay? And the gifts, especially from the special ones, you always treasure. Now today's story is also about gift, but this is the special gift. Okay, so it is named as the gift of the Magi. Now, why is it named so? It is not Maggie, it is Magi. The gift of the Magi by O. Henry. Now, O. Henry has written this beautiful story and given this title, The Gift of the Magi. The word Magi actually comes from, it has a biblical reference. It actually comes from the Bible. Now, when Jesus Christ was born, when was he born? Okay, everyone remembers? Yes, 25th December. Okay, so when Jesus Christ was born, okay, there was a star that followed. Okay, and if you don't know, let me tell you, Jesus Christ was born in a manger. Okay, in a simple manger in the stable. Okay, because there was no place for them anywhere for Mother Mary and Joseph. There was no place for them anywhere in the inn. Okay, therefore they had to just take shelter with the stable, and they had to and she had to give birth. Okay, so Jesus Christ was laid in a manger, and there were so many people. There were so many people who were aware of it, and there were kings who had come to meet Jesus, who had come to pay their honor or their respect to Jesus. Okay, and when they had come, they definitely came with precious gifts. Okay, they came with gold, they came with myrrh, they came with the other things which are absolutely precious. Okay, and therefore it is this event, okay, these three kings who brought precious gifts for Jesus Christ in order to honor him is called the Magi. Now over here, why is it called the Magi, the gift of the Magi? Okay, that we will find out from the story. So O. Henry has adopted the title from the biblical story. Okay, so the gift of the Magi. What is this about? Now in this we have a couple. Okay, young couple, and actually it is a young couple, and their second name also happens to be Young. So we have two people over here. We have Della and we have James, who is called Jim lovingly. Della and Jim. Now these two are so much in love with each other. Now we're not going to discuss their love life, but yeah, there is many things to do with it. You think they are quite rich? No, they're not rich. Okay, they are impoverished couple. Okay, they do not have much money. Okay, now when the story begins, at that time when the story begins, we have Della counting some money, counting some penny. Okay, and now that penny comes out to only around $1.87. Now this is something which is a small amount. Okay, it is actually Christmas time and they want to gift each other something. Christmas is a time when we definitely want to gift. And why they want to gift each other is like because they don't have anyone else. Further in the story, they say that no one ever rings their bell just because nobody knows them. There are no relatives who come to meet them during Christmas. Okay, or over Christmas. There is no relative, there is no neighbor who's going to ring their bell. So it's there is a letterbox on that on their door. But again, in that letterbox also, there is no one who's going to post letters to them, because the letterbox and that's why the letterbox always remains empty. Okay, so now coming to our point again, so these all things tell us that Della and Jim are there for each other. They do not have anyone else. Okay, so this is an impoverished couple. It is the time of Christmas and both of these feel like gifting each other something. Okay, Della is a pretty woman. Okay, pretty woman definitely, and she has, and the one thing that Jim actually loves her a lot. Okay, Jim loves her appearance as well, but then the one thing that Jim loves with Della is her long hair, the beautiful hair that Della has. Okay, and every time as Jim enters the house, he wants to he wants Della to flatter her, to flaunt her hair, right? And this is how maybe Jim also is happy. Okay, Della again, on the other hand, Jim has a pocket watch. Okay, now that pocket watch, remember these, how Gandhiji had the something with a chain, all right? So that is a pocket watch. But then it was an ancient watch. The watch that Jim had was an ancient watch. Ancient in the sense it belonged to his grandfather. Okay, so he had inherited that watch. So he had that watch, but there was no chain. Okay. So these are the two situations. Okay. Now, on Christmas, they both want to buy gift, but they do not have enough money with them. How are they going to buy gifts for each other? Okay. With that little money that they have saved, both of them might have saved. Okay. Respectfully, how are they going to buy and what are they going to buy and why exactly the gifts that they buy are said to be so precious? Okay, Magi, as we have seen, it is actually the precious gifts that the three kings had brought in to honor Jesus. Okay, and over here, do you think those gifts are the gifts that Della and Jim are going to give each other are equally precious? Okay, as Jesus Christ was gifted? Okay, are they equally precious that they are given the same title as the gift of the Magi? Let us find out from the story. Okay, so then once we begin, $1.87. So what is the amount that is there with Della? It is $1 and $1.87. That was all. And 60 cents of it was in pennies. Penny saved one or two at a time by bulldozing the grocer. By bulldozing the grocer, it's like, how has Della happened? Now, out of these $1.87, there are 60 cents that are like in pennies. In penny, it's like how we say it is in chiller, the coins. Okay. So it is in pennies. And now since it is in pennies, okay, we can easily come to know, we can easily decipher